I am Preeti. In this video, I am going to solve question number 2 of exercise 8.1 from trigonometry. So what is question number 2? In figure 8.13, there is one figure. This is PQR. And this is 12 centimeter and this is 13 centimeter. Okay, and find tan P minus cot R. Okay, so tan P minus cot R. So hope you remember all the formula, because in this chapter we will use only formula. If you don't know that formula, you can see my previous video. Okay, so tan P, tan theta is what? Tan theta is perpendicular by base. So if this is theta, so this is the perpendicular, correct? So this is perpendicular, this is base. Okay, so for that we have to find QR value, right? So how to find QR value? This is, what is this? This is 90 degree. So we can use Pythagoras theorem to apply QR value, correct? So what is Pythagoras theorem? Hypo square equals to sum of square of other two sides, right? So hypo, what is hypo? Hypo is PR. So PR square equals to what? PQ square plus QR square. Okay, now what is PR? PR is 13. So 13 square equals to PQ is 12. 12 square plus QR. QR that we have to find out, correct? Now 13 square is what? 169 equals to 12 square is 144 plus QR square. Correct? Now QR square equals to what? 169 minus 144. Correct? That means 5 to 25. Correct? So QR square equals to 25. So 25 is 5 square. Correct? That means QR square equals to 5 square. Means QR equals to 5. Correct? So this is 5 centimeter. Correct? Now we will find this tan P minus cot R. Okay? So tan P. What is tan theta? Tan theta equal to perpendicular by base. So for tan P, for this P, this is perpendicular. Correct? So QR by this PQ. Base is PQ. For this theta, this is perpendicular and this is base. Correct? Minus cot R. What is cot R? Cot theta equals to opposite of tan theta, or we can also say कि cot theta equals to base by perpendicular. So cot R, they are asking about cot R. So for this R, this is perpendicular and this is base. Correct? So for this R, this is perpendicular and cot theta equal to base by perpendicular. So first we will write base, means QR by perpendicular, means PQ. Correct? Now, yeah, so what is QR? So QR is 5. 5 by PQ. PQ is 12 minus again QR, again 5 by PQ. PQ is 12. So 5 by 12 minus 5 by 12. That means it's 0. Correct? So the value of tan P minus cot R is 0. Okay? So this is the answer of question number 2. Now let's see question number 3. If sin A equals to 3 by 4. So calculate cos A and tan A. Okay. Since sin A equals to 3 by 4. So sin theta equals to what? Perpendicular by hypo. Correct? So this is perpendicular by hypo. So here I can say कि perpendicular equals to 3k and hypo equals to 4k, where k equals to 1, 2, 3, anything. K can be anything. But why I am putting this k? Like perpendicular, maybe let's imagine कि perpendicular is 6 and hypo is 8. Okay, so if we will find perpendicular by hypo, means sin theta equals to what? 6 by 8, means 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8, so value is 3 by 4. So perpendicular can be 6, perpendicular can be 10. So here k, if we will find the k value here, so k equals to 2 here, correct? Because 3 2 ja 6, 4 2 ja 8. So that is why if they are giving ratio 3 by 4, so we are always taking k. Okay, so perpendicular equal is 3k and hypo is 4k. Now we have to find the third side, which is base. Okay, so base equals to what? Base will be hypo square minus perpendicular square, correct? If we will draw a right angle triangle, so hypo square, and this is maybe perpendicular for this theta, and this is base. Okay, so hypo square equals to what? Sum of square of other two sides, means p square plus b square. And now we have to find b square. So b square equals to what? H square minus p square, correct? According to Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so what is h? H is 4k square minus p. P is 3k square. Okay, now b square equals to 4 4 ja 16k square minus 3 3 ja 9k square. Okay, that means b square equals to 7k square, correct? So we can write b equals to root under 7k square. Means what? This is one pair, so 1k will come out, means k into root 7. Okay, so base is k root 7. Fine. Now what we have to calculate? Cos A. Sin A is given. Okay, so sin A is perpendicular by hypo. So we have to find cos A. So cos A is what? Base by hypo. In both sin theta and cos theta, hypo is always in denominator. Okay, so what is base? Base is root 7 into k, or k root 7 by hypo. Hypo is 4k. Correct? So k or k cancel, and so cos theta equals to root 7 by 4. Correct? Now they are also asking about tan A. So tan A equals to what? Tan A is perpendicular by base. Correct? Hope you remember all the formula. So what is perpendicular? Perpendicular is 3k. So 3k by base. Base is root 7k. Correct? So this is 3 by k cancel. So 3 by root 7. Okay? So the answer means the value of cos A is root under 7 by 4, and value of tan A is 3 by root 7. Okay, so this is done now. If you remember all the formula, it's very easy for you. Okay, now let's see question number 4. Question number 4 is given 15 cot A equals to 8 and find sin A and sec A. Correct? So 15 cot A equals to 8. So we can also write cot A equals to 8 by what? This 15 will come this side. So 8 by 15. Correct? So what is cot theta? Cot theta equals to, this is opposite of tan theta, right? And tan theta is perpendicular by base. So cot theta equals to base by perpendicular. Correct? So base by perpendicular equals to what? 8 by 15. Correct? So that means we can say ki base equals to 8k and perpendicular equals to 15k. Correct? I already explained why we are using k. Now we have given base and perpendicular. So what is rest? Rest is hypo. Correct? So we have to use hypo. If this is perpendicular for this theta and this is base, so what is rest? Rest is hypo. So this we have to calculate according to Pythagoras theorem. Correct? In this chapter, everywhere we will use Pythagoras theorem because this is a right angle triangle and only two sides maybe they will give. So we have to calculate the third side by using Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Now let's find h square. So h square equals to what? Perpendicular square plus b square. Okay. Now what is p square? P is 15k whole square plus b is 8k whole square. Correct? So h square equals to 15 multiplied by 15, 225 k square. Correct? Plus 8 8 64 k square. Now h square equals to 9, 8 and 2, 289 k square. So we can also write h equals to root under 289 k square. Okay. So as we know, root under 89 means what? This is the square of 17. Correct. So we can also write as 17 square k square root under h equals to, that means 17k. So the value of h will be 17k. So this now we are able to find out, and these two it's already given. P equals to 15k and b equals to 8k. Now we can apply formula and get the result. Okay. So what they are asking, sine a, and this is cos a is already given. Okay. So sine a means theta is same, that means we can apply perpendicular for this also, base for this also, and hypo for this also. If this is not a, here is a, but here maybe it's b. So for that angle we should find out what is perpendicular and what is base, and hypo is same for all theta in a triangle. Correct? Now what is sine theta? So sine theta equals to perpendicular by hypo. Correct? So perpendicular by hypo. So what is perpendicular? Perpendicular is 15k and what is hypo is 17k. So k cancel. So sine theta equals to 15 by 17. Okay. Now one more question. Sec a. Sec is the opposite of cos theta. Correct? And cos theta equals to base by hypo. So sec theta equals to hypo by base. Correct? So hypo is 17k and base is 8k. Correct? This. So sec a equals to this k cancel and sec a equals to 17 by 8. Correct? So this is the answer. Easy, right? Now question number 5. What is question number 5? Given sec theta equals to 13 by 12. Calculate all other trigonometric ratios. So only sec theta is given, so we have to calculate sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta and cot theta. Okay. So what is sec theta? Sec theta is the opposite of cos theta. So what is the formula for cos theta? Cos theta equals to base by hypo. Means sec theta equals to hypo by base. Opposite of cos theta. Right? Now, if this is theta and this is hypo, so if for this theta, this is base. So base is given and we have to calculate what? Perpendicular. Right? So what is the perpendicular square? Perpendicular square equals to what? Hypo square minus base square, right? According to Pythagoras theorem. So hypo square minus base square. Right? Now What is hypo? Hypo equals to 13k. Right? And base equals to what? 12k. Correct? Now, h square. H square means 13k whole square minus what? 12k whole square. Correct? Same. I think, yes. In this question number 2, I already solved this. 13 square is hypo and one side is given as 12. Correct? So, no need to calculate it again. The perpendicular equals to what? 5. Correct? You can simplify this, but here I already explained this is 5. One side is 5. So, perpendicular equals to 5. 5k. Because this is k, this is also k, so this is 5k. Now, let's calculate one by one. Okay? So, sine theta. Sine theta equals to what? Perpendicular by hypo. So, what is perpendicular? 5k. And what is hypo? Hypo is 13k. Okay? So, sine theta equals to 5 by 13. Easy, right? Now, cos theta. Cos theta equals to base by hypo. So, base is 12. Hypo is 13. So, 12k by 13k. K cancel. So, 12 by 13. I just wrote 12 by 13. Even also, sec theta. Sec theta is given. So, cos theta equals to opposite of sec theta. So, if sec theta is 13 by 12, that means cos theta equal to 12 by 13. It's easy, right? Now, tan theta. Tan theta equals to what? Perpendicular by base. So, what is perpendicular? 5 by base is 12. First you write k, then k cancel k and then answer is 5 by 12. Okay? So, I am just writing it in shortcut. Okay? Now, cosec. Cosec theta. What is cosec theta? Cosec theta is opposite of sine theta. So, from here also we can calculate. So, this is 5 by 13. So, cosec is 13 by 5. Or cosec is hypo by perpendicular. So, hypo is 13 and perpendicular is 5. Easy, right? Now, the last one. Sec is already given. And now, the last one is cot theta. So, cot theta is what? Cot theta is opposite of tan theta. Tan theta is 5 by 12. So, cot theta is 12 by 5. Right? According to formula also, cot theta equals to base by perpendicular. So, what is base? 12 by perpendicular 5. Easy, right? So, now we are able to find all that answer because they are calculate all other trigonometric ratio. Yeah. So, all other trigonometric ratio, sine done, cos done, tan done, cosec done, sec is already here and cot is here. Okay. So, if you have any doubt in this example, please write your comment in the comment section. Also, like and share my video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.